Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to design blog featured image frames using Frame Mask. Start by creating a new document with the recommended blog image dimensions, for example, 1200 by 628 pixels. Use the Frame tool to create placeholders for your featured images. Drag images into the frames. Photoshop automatically clips them to fit the space. Double-click inside each frame to adjust positioning and scale, ensuring the main subject is visible and centered. Keep text layers for titles and overlays separate to maintain flexibility. You can add subtle layer adjustments like gradient overlays or soft shadows without